So hopefully everyone was here for Sharon's very insightful keynote delivery this morning. And I think one of the key takeaways is certainly disruption is happening in our industry. The pace at which it's happening, I think, is open for discussion. But certainly Sharon really talked about disruption versus innovation. The fact that we're now allowing our customers to actually see things digitally, like their policy, and submit claims digitally through mobile is certainly an advancement. I think from the Duo and Slice conversation, we heard that there's also a lot of change happening. But as we look at sort of the next wave of disruption, I think Sharon's message was also that it's time to look and think beyond insurance, look beyond what we're doing today, and recognize that there's a new group of startups focused on enabling technologies, those that work in traditional industries and are in many cases industry agnostic. So by 2025, which is about 7 years from now, McKinsey has estimated that there are 12 major ecosystems that will represent approximately $60 trillion of revenue, which is about 30% of the global revenue. Insurers today already play in some of these ecosystems. So we're already involved in health and wealth protection and B2B services and housing and certainly mobility. But we recognize that there's opportunities for carriers to do more in these ecosystems if they're ready. When we think about something like mobility, we think today typically telematics, UBI, maybe rideshare, but really we know that auto manufacturers are certainly getting involved in things like vehicle purchase and maintenance management, carpooling, traffic management, vehicle connectivities, and parking. These are all opportunities for carriers to expand their role into and participate in these ecosystems. So these ecosystems and these partnerships of partners, startups, and customers essentially are coming together, and this is the inflection point. Are we ready as carriers to take advantage of this great ecosystem? We heard a great story today with Slice and Duo, who found a partnership, but there's many other platforms out there that we have to be discussing whether or not we're ready for that. So a little bit about why this is relevant to what I do every day. And at EIS, we have an insurance platform. It has, as you would imagine, policy billing claims. It's centered around the customer. And we spend a lot of time talking to carriers who are thinking, we need to do system replacement. But interestingly enough, I would say over the last 24 to 36 months, we spend a lot less time talking about features and functions, and we spend a lot more time talking about the architecture of our system, our ability to connect and be open, to partner with InsurTechs and startups, and how we leverage cloud and cloud-native infrastructure in order to be able to effectively integrate with all these evolving opportunities in the market.